Summer roll, a Vietnamese appetizer, is a kind of fresh spring roll. Rice paper wrapper filled with a mixture of vegetables and meat. Common ingredients are shrimp, chicken, and vegetables, usually eaten with hoisin sauce. We will be making non-fried type of spring roll, also called summer roll. You will need rice paper from an Asian grocery store, basils from any grocery store, cucumber, carrot, pre-cooked shrimps, crabsticks, from any grocery store, lettuce leaves, you can also use Chinese cabbage. It's up to your preference. Omelett, made from 2 eggs. We will be preparing the ingredients. Peel off the carrot, cut in half on the long side. Then cut those half up to as thin pieces as you can, still on the long side. One piece of a carrot a roll. Cucumber, cut off a piece on the long side. Cut that piece into smaller pieces, also on the long side. No need to peel the skin off the cucumber. It's up to you how many pieces of cucumber you want in each roll. Now we have both cucumber and carrot pieces. Next is the omelette. Fold the omelette in half, do it twice. Then cut 2 small pieces, this time on the short side. You can also use fish instead of omelette. Salmon works best, but not mackerel, due to the fishy smell. Or you can combine both omelette and salmon. Next is to wrapping the spring rolls. Take the rice paper, These are quite fragile, so be careful not to break them. Soak it in cold water. Place it flat. Place the lettuce leaves on the rice paper, on the edge closest to you. How much of the lettuce leaves is up to you. Omelette on the leaves. Shrimps. Up to you how many shrimps you want. Crabsticks. Carrot. Cucumber. Now for the wrapping. Take one of the edge and wrap it over the filling. Roll the wrapper to the center. Stop and fold the bottom edge toward the center, and then roll. Keep the top of the spring roll open. Next one. Soak the wrapper. Lettuce leaves on the edge of the wrapper. Carrot, cucumber, omelette, shrimp, crabsticks, basil leaves, wrap the paper over the filling, stop at the center, fold in one of the edges, keep rolling. The rest of the video will show you how to wrap the rest of the spring rolls. You can skip this part if you want to. There, rice paper spring roll, eaten with hoisin sauce. A sauce consisted of fermented soybean paste. An Asian grocery store should have it. Just have the sauce in a bowl. You can eat with your hands or utensils. Just apply the sauce over the spring roll. Cut it to bite-sized pieces.